Well. Look who wanted to know how jewellery improves an outfit. Salutations, Squadius Famius. I am very pleased to say that today's video is sponsored by the Silver Stone. The Silver Stone is a menswear jewellery company and they have some really unique designs in their accessories. Honestly, I am really picky with my sponsors, so when something like this comes along, you know I mean business. So today is all about how jewellery or accessories improve your outfit, and I just want to show you some of the pieces that we'll be dealing with today. The Silver Stone was very nice to send me a handy little care package for this video, so a quick little unboxing maybe, literally. You get yourself a nice little thank you card, which is always a nice personalized touch, and the pieces come in a nice little suede bag for that elegant convenience. Very swaggy, if I do say so myself. So I was very lucky to get 3 necklaces and 3 rings. The first necklace that I have to show you is very minimal and low key. We have the silver mini twin cross necklace. You've got 2 little crosses at the bottom there, so it's like double Christ, amazing. I had to have a subtle piece simply because jewellery can be as loud or as in the background as you want it to be. It's also very good for layering jewellery pieces on top of it, so it's just nice to have. It's at a very nice length as well. In my opinion, having a few different necklaces on at different lengths really gives you a layered, textured look. So this is something that I was really happy to wear either on its own or part of a different ensemble or look, as it were. The next item I want to show you is the Tragedy mask necklace. This I felt was something a little bit more current, a little bit more trendy, but doesn't break out of theme with the rest of the necklaces. Like, you can easily wear these with crosses, dice, and it can really be a good layering tool. A quick example here. It fits a little bit lower than the twin cross, so now you can see we've got a little bit more of a textured look. Now it's not just one good pendant to look at, you've got 2 to look at, big man. But wait, it doesn't stop there. The last necklace I want to show you is this Saint Christopher cross necklace. Personally, I think this will complete the trilogy that I've got going on here. So now we have the complete layered look. We've got all of the pendants, all of the necklaces here, just layering in with each other. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder and I like what I see, big man. Yes, this is a very cool look. I'm liking this a lot. So if you know me, I like to experiment with my whole aesthetic, as it were. And these accessories really do help with shifting themes. Like, I'll get into that a little bit later. But I just wanted to show off these necklaces with their pendants and what kind of look you can achieve with each of them on their own terms or together as a unified look. But wait, there's more. I was also sent some rings. Firstly, we have the antique bark ring. This, I believe, is less of a statement piece and more of something to wear on the low key, if that makes sense. Like, it's not there to draw your attention completely, but it is there to complement or draw attention to whatever you want people to see on your hands. For example, the mini pigeon skull ring. So this looks tiny, by the way, and I ordered a really small ring size for a reason. I wanted a pinky ring. I don't know why, I've just always wanted pinky rings. And as you can see together, they really do complement each other. It doesn't necessarily overload the hand and makes it look like there's so much going on, but it's just enough to make it a little bit more interesting and draws your attention from, I'm done looking at that, but what's going on here? Is that a mini pigeon skull? That's crazy, not vegan surely. But of course, if you're not feeling the mini pigeon skull, I did opt for an alternative with this olive branch ring. So if you see now, it's a little bit more balanced, as it were. Again, the olive branch ring has the same effect as the antique bark, where you can use it on its own as a low-key statement piece, or you can layer it with another ring just for that double impact. But honestly, I am really happy with all of these accessories simply because it gives me another way to express myself and try out different styles. Slightly shifting aesthetics or just adding texture to an outfit is really important when I think of outfit building, so these are definitely essential. If you want to find out more about the Silver Stone and where you can purchase your own rings and necklaces, I will leave a link in the description down below to the Silver Stone website and their social media pages, just in case you want more of an idea of how to style these items before you buy. But for me personally, I can't recommend them enough. I'm really happy with the pieces they sent me, so big up the Silver Stone. How jewellery can improve an outfit. Let me talk to you one time. As I touched on before, jewellery can shift the aesthetic or the look of an outfit. Rings and necklaces have been a popular men's accessory since forever. In my opinion, men's jewellery often falls into a rocker aesthetic at heart, but low-key branches out into different themes. Now, the history and aesthetic of rings and necklaces is an entirely different discussion in itself, but in my personal opinion, rings and necklaces are somewhat synonymous with the rocker look, but that's just an umbrella theme. You can kind of pigeonhole them into all sorts of different aesthetics, but they all point back to the rocker look. Men's jewellery can bounce into different themes and aesthetics, from rocker to flamboyant to masculine. Men's jewellery seamlessly integrates itself into any of these categories, depending on what angle you choose to look at it. But the point I wanted to make was rings and necklaces can really shift an outfit into another direction, and that just fascinates me. From a practical point of view, jewellery can be as in the background or the focal point as much as you want it to be. It's very much a versatile accessory. For example, you can build an outfit with the accessories as the focal point, or you can use them as tools to work around the outfit, or even have a combination of the two where the jewellery just adds on to an already overloaded outfit. The long and short of it is the combinations are many and vast. A great example of building an outfit around jewellery is when you see a basic or minimal outfit with a lot of empty space. You can't help but feel like filling these empty spaces. For example, if I were to remove these necklaces, this whole area is now plain, it's a lot of empty space, and you can't help but feel in your head that something is missing here, something should be here, there's something that should be drawing my eye to this area, but there just isn't. But when you add a little accessory, such as the St. Chris pendant, then it becomes a statement piece in the outfit. Like, of course, it makes sense that it's there. So the example is I could just have one necklace here and that could be it for my accessories, but it's there, it's a statement piece, it draws your attention to itself. But you could add to the whole look. For example, if there's nothing on my fingers here, like low-key magic trick, again, it's looking a bit plain, but add a couple of rings and suddenly the look is a little bit more interesting, a little bit more dynamic. There's just a little bit of grain in the outfit. It's not major. Jewellery doesn't exactly slap you in the face, but you do get kind of a more weighty outfit when you put them all together. The devil is in the details, big man. So the bottom line is jewellery draws attention to itself, and with this knowledge you can control your outfit a little bit more. If you wanted to shift it into more of a masculine vibe, then accessories will be a good way to achieve that. The same way with flamboyancy, or if you want to achieve the rocker look in any shape, way or form that you want, jewellery is the perfect way to shift that outfit. If you have a statement piece in your outfit that isn't the jewellery, for example, if you have like a graphic t-shirt you want to show off, having the necklace there can just draw your attention to the top half of the outfit. And the same with the rings. If you have your hand down next to your jeans, it will draw your attention to the hand, and if it's down to the trousers. It's basically like having a laser pointer telling people where to look on your outfit while at the same time being an attraction itself. So jewellery, especially silver jewellery, has had its place in fashion for years. Some people swear by it and use jewellery for their daily outfits, and this just goes to show the importance and usefulness of jewellery. It can be essential pieces for your everyday look, or it can be a statement piece, or something to complement your outfit and give it a little bit of depth and substance. So that was my quick little video on how jewellery can improve an outfit. I just wanted to hammer down the points of why jewellery is used in outfits and how it can benefit your outfit and what it actually does, in my opinion. Like, I'm not a jewellery scientist, but it's an educated guess. I have honestly done enough sick fits, seen enough outfits, studied fashion to a point where jewellery always pops up and helps elevate an outfit. I'm not saying you're gonna achieve a higher echelon of being if you ever wear jewellery, but they're just good tools to have in your arsenal. Again, I would just like to thank the Silverstone for sponsoring today's video and for sending me some of these pieces. If this video has piqued your interest into the Silverstone, I will be leaving their website of where you can find their entire collection in the description down below, and I'll be leaving their social media pages where they post some customer fits so you can see examples of how you can style these items. And that's everything today. If you like this video, then please give it a like. If you dislike this video, then give it a dislike. If you want to support me and the channel, then just press the little subscribe button and the little bell notification if you want to get notified when I upload a new video. You guys are the best. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.